Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing some Spookalicious Halloween DIYs. I've never owned a wreath, never wanted a wreath, but today I decided to make a Halloween wreath out of some extra stuff I had laying around. For this task you'll need a hot glue gun, Gorilla Glue or wood glue, paint in the colors yellow, black, purple, maybe some holographic glitter, green. It really just depends on what design you want to do. For the wreath, I used some extra dowel rods I had laying around, but you can use whatever you want. You could use sticks, you could use just normal wood, but dowel rods I thought would be a fun, different vibe, and I used it to make a geometric shape. Also need a plastic skull. I got mine at the Dollar Tree, and some spooky floral, and then the red burgundy ones I got at Walmart for $4. I didn't film this part, but you can use either a table saw or hand saw to cut the pieces to your desired length and shape. And there you have it, your finished, completed spooky wreath. I think it turned out pretty good if I say so myself, especially for my first time making a wreath. I feel like you could add some nice rose gold touches to this. I was really conflicted when I was doing this because I was thinking, do I want it to be rose gold or black? So maybe next year I'll go back and add some rose gold details. Next DIY will be a candle holder. So I've always wanted the ones from Bath & Body Works, the spooky Halloween ones, but they're pretty overpriced, and I thought I could make my own. You can do this with any size candle. It doesn't have to be a Bath & Body Works one, but I just happened to use that to use as my base. So I went for a layered pattern of purple, black, and a candy corn pattern, and then I ended up adding some holographic glitter on the black for some extra sparkle. You could even do, I regret not putting some green, but you could do like a Frankenstein, or you could do black with spider webs on it. It's really up to you what vibe you want for this Halloween.